Okay, this is my elephant toothpaste. I didn't have any food coloring and I couldn't find any at the store, so we don't have it. I already put the hydrogen peroxide in there and the soap, and here's the yeast and the hot water. Sorry, my mom wanted to see the video. So clearly it didn't quite go as explosive as the ones in the video did. Um, But I'm actually not that mad about it because I'm inside my house. But to explain the video here, let me pull up my notes. Um, so elephant toothpaste is a foamy substance caused by the rapid decomposition of hydrogen peroxide using potassium iodide or yeast, which in this case we used yeast, and warm water as a catalyst. How rapidly the reaction proceeds will depend on the concentration of hydrogen peroxide. I think I added maybe a little too much soap. I guess that's probably why it's more foamy than anything. Um, Reactions. When the hydrogen peroxide comes into contact with the yeast, it starts breaking down into water and oxygen. And oxygen is a gas, and therefore, once it escapes the liquid, the dish soap that I added to my reaction, however, traps the gas bubbles, making it foam. So that's all I have.